And that is the most unique thing that we have as Gambians. Like, we interact with one another, we live with one another. It doesn't matter how big the family is. We share everything, no matter how little it is. And people are content with that. That even if things are going hard, you can still observe smiling faces under each and every person that you meet along the street. So that is a plus for everybody in the Gambia. And that is why I'm a proud Gambian and a proud African. And I believe I can make it. And I'm going nowhere but in the Gambia. Nobody's going to do it for us. That's right. If we are all running away, when are we going to make it? We have to stay in Africa, develop in Africa, and then show to the world that Africa have a better image than the one they portray in the West. I think this is what we all need to do as Africans, and then we promote that as Pan-Africans and also as Gambians.
Excellent. I couldn't have said it better myself, actually. I propose that you come and do some shows with me.
I was here for me, Chia will be our joining to Media.
I think that the misrepresentation of Africa has, it permeated my brain, and I knew because I was coming from a Pan-African background, but still, the images are forced upon us. So I think you young Gambians have a responsibility to show the other side of Gambia, the Gambia that, we diasporians and many people in the West don't see. They just don't see it.
Exactly. I think that is the work of the academics. That is the work that we need to do as young scholars. For far too long, people have been portraying Africa negatively to the outside world. And we know that that was done by individuals whose sole aim was to dominate Africa, to exploit Africa's resources, and then to continue to colonize us politically. And now, our role as academics, as young scholars, is how do we make sure that this picture is changed from the literature itself. Going back to rewrite the books, to rewrite the history of Africa, and then to show to the world that we have a better image that the world is actually seeing as of today. And then you also come to realize that we need to invest in Africa, because foreign investment always leads to capital flies and etc. Because people who come in and invest, at the end they can take all the resources, and then you come to realize that it becomes another challenge for us. But when Africans invest, the money stays in Africa, which is a plus. It can enhance, it can help when it comes to
with all the
facilities and then enhancing the development that we own, that we all desire as Africans and etc. I think that is what we need to do as we speak, and that is what we all Africans need to be thinking into that particular line, like trying to see how we can repent that particular picture shown by the outsiders about Africa. Because they do. In fact, let me tell you, there was this quotation that I read. It was actually done by a British parliamentarian, Lord Macaulay, in 1835. He speaks about Africa, and then he said, in order for the West to dominate Africa, they need to overthrow our very backbone.
He black too. Greetings,
when we believe that everything that is Western is correct, then they can dominate us forever.
Exactly.
And that is 1835. They've been working on those bases. So today it is high time, because we know the realities. Let us try to rewrite the history. Let us try to work again and attract investment in Africa.
Abusiafo mechia obiama obi biara akwa aba eba sankofa na kure dwumadie de so mechia obia anwumre yebedi nkomo kakra yebedi nkomo yebedi nkomo kakra na yasua de kakra nso afiri Quran ne mu book no de yesi ye behwehwem na yatutu book no akopem se ye ne be hu sa afi de book no ye wiewie ne kora se wate ase ha ye nya de esi be give up enye omo no ensem hunu bi omo keka na ebe ma ye no mo no ye hunu se book no ensem bi wo mu a ehia ma se enipa tie okay enti sansam no ye de be ba abontene me no be din komo afa the we in the Quran nemu. Quran ne kasa wo use the letter we, the word we ewom. Na enkremofo ne ba the best thing omutumi ye ne say omu be defend say that we no ejina homa was it the majestical wheel or whatever. Many women give one for a long time, but still they still exist. But the Quran nankasa approve ne ho akere say that we know in the Quran nyina homa one page and nyina homa that Allah na ejina homa more than 2-3. Me pacho tie ni ye. Ye wo where di bi wo Quran ni mu a. Eye we a enkremofo kire mu say that we in the Quran ejina homa Allah. Media minim de minim ni say ye ko school no. Na ye ko sua sa aborofo ne kasa no. Wo hia ba bia letter we. Your friend say word we. Word us. Word our ewa ejina ho say ejina ho ma mienu miensa ede koro enye baako enti uhia wi a hunu ye said ye all kasa no wo kasa in the name of some group of people but ye ko school na ye kire sa de no ye be shia sa ensem no wo religious books mu a those no omukuta that religious books no a womudi di awura mu ne pese wo mo kire yen se ni aborofo ne be kire ye na ye wo mo kasa no en make sense na emomo no omudi omo ankasa nkire mu bi beba abe kire yen se ye wo bibia ye friend majestical we bla 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 mfanyin kosia ena na eya ahemfu na yisuo wahini nso so kasa wahini bia kasa wo gina ne manfo anamu ne kasa wahini bia wo kasa wojina ne manfo anasa na hemfo a wonu wo mu bu ne man no anamu ne kasa enti wo kasa that word we no etase oyusuo but wo kan sam de afa ononko ane ho a etase wo yusu the word me anase I enti ne me ne wo be ko Quran ni mu na me de Quran na approve e de a kire wo ye no the one thing about us they say yem bibia no u belief system no wugidie ni book no a book ni hwe wunkunan no ne ye di book na wiki wu me no be ko Quran no ye be kenkan nsem bi ewom me sra oba so ano wa hye adwumadie na ma me because me page no you your friends say Facebook o ma mute no o ma mute no nti me ye program adodo na ehunu be wo share wo group bi a share fatum me be ma manfo nsa aka so what you say me be prove no wo Quran ni mo de akire amwa hunu yiye say that the word we in the Quran no enyina ho emma baako yenim se nyame na o hye buku nim no wo ye nipa enyina ho ma nipa baako na ebom no ejina ho ma nipa mienu miensa ati asi ejina ho ma nipa mienu miensa enti no ye be ko buku nim na ya kenkai buku ni sesi a me pa cha o me ba mo ma me seconds na me nya de keto abi
I believe I can make it. And
Medikai no wakenkai a verse in the Quran. Yansha Quran Surah 73 verse number 1 to 13. Na yenti asembi o why. Surah 73 verse number 1 to 13. Na yansha adie bi o ho. Me se me de Quran ni be prove a kire wo amwa hunu yiye se Allah no wanya baako. Allah no enye wono nko na kasa wo buku no amofra ne Quran ni mo no. Okay, me pa cha utie no. We say na fa no words by words, statement by statement ma me netie ni ye. We say Surah 73 ayat number 1 up to 13. Me start here from 1. We say, "Oh you enwrapped one, stay up accept a little for half of it, or reduce it a little, or add to it, and chant the Quran rhythmically." Okay. Verse number 5. We are about to give you a heavy message. Me pa cha share we in number 5 for nenso mame. Ya say Allah na di buku ni ba enti Allah na e kasa wa ha. Okay. Wa yusu we wa ha share nenso mame. Wa say we are about to give you a heavy message. The vigil of it is more effective and better recitation Okay. In the daytime, you have plenty work to do. So remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him wholeheartedly. So remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him wholeheartedly. Me pacho she tie sasem we say so mame. Mame no wonwene we say ho kakra. Verse number 5 on wasi we enti wo kasa wa had we use the word we. Wasi we are about to give you a heavy message. Verse number 8. Wasi so remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him. And devote yourself to him. Me pacho. This is the question. Eye me ena me kasa. Ena me refer me ho. Edi akire wo a. Hia be ne hia say. E wo say me say use the word him. Na me use him a. E wo say wo mani si wadwe. E wo say wo mani ba wadwe me say. First question be wadwe me say him no a wo kan de. Why na wo refer that him ne to? Because me a me na wo kasa no. Say eye me na me na wo kasa e wo say me use the word me adema me ho. So remember your Lord. Okay, say nanka wa say. So remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to me. Okay? And devote yourself to me. But where there was it, so remember your Lord and devote yourself to him. So is it not another person who was talking? Enti nipa na no kasa no. Wabaya wode ne ho kan ho. Enti wasi we are about to give you a heavy message. We are about to give you a heavy message. Ye bema message ya emu oduru. Now about verse number 8 now was it so remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him wholeheartedly. Me pata what ya say. So enye nipa mienu ho asem na apiem wo ha no. Enye nipa mienu ho asem. Me point na me make no. The last verse now making kai no. Me pesa wo twe wadwene ba ha na meka the last verse bi dia kire wo a ho na obehunu dia me pesa me kire. Me pata what ya say. Okay, yan to so verse number 9. Was say Lord of the East. Verse number 9 Surah 73:9 was say Lord of the East and of the West. There is no God but he. So take him as a trustee. Me pachao asemi hu dwene hu yie. Eye ala na ekasa. Okay? Ala na ekasa wa ha. Wonu akure na use the word him. Wonu akure ya use the word he. Wonu akure ya use the word we. E dia ma ne ho. Just imagine. Okay? What say Lord of the East and the West. Verse number 8 ni ma mi sisu biem. The odi assembly bre Muhammad ne ka kire Muhammad say, so remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him wholeheartedly. Okay, wholeheartedly. Who is the Lord? That is the Lord of the East and the West. There is no God but he. So take him as a trustee. So take him as a trustee. Enti dia na wo kasa no kire no nyame fufuro bia onso ni mu yie na onkura ne den. That is nyame a oye the God of the East and the God of the West. Okay, na onso ni mu yie. Enti se Allah na di buku ni ba ya wo ba ya na wo sa be kire Muhammad say, okay, onfa ne ho ntu nyame bia wo ye the Lord of the East and the Lord of the West. Okay, yam to us. So verse number 11. And leave me to those who deny the truth, those of luxury, and give them a brief respite. Okay? Enti ahano dia o kasano eye ala no. What the insist ni buse me eye wono nko a enu osi Muhammad enyai omu nyinnie ne ma wono. E ma wura mfi oba ya no. What the can use the word yen, that is we. Actually, and we use the word or no. At the bear moon. And now over verse number 10 on. Verse number 11 no. Obey you the word me edibaye. Enti message na baye no eba wo miensa nipa miensa dimu. Nipa miensa edimu ene baye. Enunti na all kasa no. The first statement in we use the word we, that is Surah 73 verse number 5. We are about to give you a heavy message. Okay? And in verse number 8, was say, remember the name of your Lord. Okay? Remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him. So if it was say Allah nana ekasa waha, and when you use the word devote yourself to him. To him no means another one. Okay? And 9 was that another one is the Lord of the East and the West. There is no God but he. So take him as a trustee. Okay? Verse number 10. And endure patiently and endure patiently what they say and withdraw from them politely. Verse number 11. And leave me to those who deny the truth, and leave me to those who deny the truth. And to the walk no, the other message in eba no, and na walk to Muhammad say, "Jai me ma omo apu asemono." And to the all kasano so the na asemu shemu bi. That is why the word we know is in the Quran. Verse number 12 was say with us all shackles and a fierce fire with us. Me pacho fakwa dindin. We abem, him abem, he abem, our abem, us abem, me abem. Fasan somewhere nyina kwa dindin. One chapter no eba no. Yenya we, yenya us, yenya our, yenya me, yenya him, yenya he. So is this West a friend say verse we say no still who insist say eye nyame baako na e kasa wa ha. Okay, no problem. Ye be koso anu yama okay. Ye dey see verse number 12. Okay, verse number 13 was say and food that chokes and painful and food that chokes and a painful punishment. Okay? And to Surah 73 verse number 1 to 13 and ya ken kai no. Yansanko Surah 70 verse number 31 to 40. Na yenti asembi wo. Surah 70 verse number 31 to 40. Okay. Was it but whoever seek to go beyond that, these are the transgressors, and those who honor their trust and their pledge, and those who stand by their testimonies, and those who are dedicated to their prayers. This will be honored in gardens. Okay. What is with those who disbelieve, stretching their neck towards you from the right and from the left, banding together? Number 38. Is every one of them aspiring to be admitted into a garden of bliss? 39. No, indeed. We create from what they know. We created them from what they know. Okay? We created them from what they know. Verse number 40. I swear by the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. Me pacha what you say? Me says subiem. I swear by the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. I swear by the name of the Lord of the East and West that we are able. Me pacha, how do you understand this statement? Allah ne kasa. Allah no sa swear in the name of another God. Say me kan nyame owo apoye eni atoye entam say ye tumia di nyina ye we are able ye tumia di ye tumia di ye I swear in the name of the Lord of the East. I swear in the name of the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. I, Abba, and we, Abba. I, Abba. I don't one can say I swear in the name of the Lord of the East and West that I am able. But no, when you say and to say I swear in the name of the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. So that is why in the Quran you will meet these words, we, us, our, we, us, our in the Quran. Baby biara ube shia sa word ni biara no means say that Allah no that time no he was talking in the name of another God, because he is not one and only God, but they are many. Edunti ana wo swear in another God, that God is so powerful more than him. What swear in his name, no? Surah 70, verse number 40. I swear by the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. Okay? And how will you explain this we to me? Now, me say, this we here no means majestical we. But ono kasano buku no kansa no edika represent one person. I no swear in the name of two gods. And an answer in the name of Namibia, where the Lord of the East and the West. I swear by the Lord of the East and the West. Meaning, say, I am swearing in the name of another person. How can you tell me, say, me kasano, me swear in the name of me referring me myself to the Lord of the East and the West. Me we are issue the word we, that we are able. My people, buku ne kutamono, monken kai buku no. Na ye no mono, adwene ye adwumo, enti muntimi fa all these words ni mebiti ye. Me ko school ya tell me say 1 + 1 + 1 e 3. But over religion mu 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 ye be ma 1. Me ko school ya tell me say the letter we ejina ma nipa mienu miensa e na kure nipa ba kutimi kasa e yisu the word we. But sata mu no nipa ne kasa no o kasa wo nipa duduo bi dinim. Nipa duduo bi dinim. Ene na obantwi. Ene na obetwi kasa mu ye kan yen. Okay? Menkoa metumi akasa in the name of CSF. Menkoa metumi akasa in the name of CSF. Makase yen. Ya adwene ne ye adwuma. Enya menkoa na me kasa. But I am talking in the name of another people. Ameni womo adwene ye baako ena me kasa womu dimu. Enti sa menkoa mintumi use the word we no ama me ho. Wo hene wo kasa nesa wo ka wono anasem a wono nko anasem a wo use we no mfama no ho. Eno nti na Allah esue wa ha no. Eya wono nko ana wo sue no na o sue in the name of another God no. Wo use I na wo wie wo beka wo mu nyina bom e ka say we are able. Okay? Ma wanimra on so. Eye very good you say. Buku no wo be hwehwem na wo hunu die wom. Munyan atro na mu twa no. E na we in the Quran no. Eye majestical we. Bra mfa yin kosi ade be majestical we. Muhammad no woni majestical we. Muhammad no amo kana asem no. Wono no woni majestical we. Woni manyame dodo a Muhammad. Ade be ntina yewo your friend say a lot of motia verses in the Quran. Yawo verse dia Allah timidi another verse but no dia be abrogate another verse because was Satan eha Muhammad dodo enti o mani verse na Satan amani wure fi enti somebody bi wo mu a wo trechre die Satan de man no yi dia Allah dia man na to akene enti ana kotrase ya no hwehwe nsem no Muhammad e twetwe mu a no hunu yiye se ensem bi wo ha ye Satan de a no wasende foforo aba ne ya de aba abrugeti no enti Muhammad ne twere buku no a na Allah tesoro na wo hwe Muhammad e twere no abefa buku na kokenkai wose asem wenyam na mekaye the powerful Allah no etumi de asem a tumi wom ama ne prophet na Satan ya tumi aba beyi asem na firi wode ne de ahye ho okay me ba mcha me tia obi a me phone no this time no ha me too much comment bia ba me hunu je se me de me nsa fa ni ntimu amaba ni nyina me chia mo me ba cha wati ase enti me se sisu biem se we na ewo mo no ejina how ma one God okay this same God no or can send me was Surah 7 Surah 70 verse number 40 was say I swear by the Lord of the east and the west that we are able. I swear by the Lord of the east and the west that we are able. And the Lord of the east and west and the Quran. Enye nyame baako wa moye 4. Enyame na omo the east and the west no. Wa monye nyame baako wa moye 4. Ma me nkyere wo ha. Surah 55. Neighbor. Surah 55 verse number 7. Me pa cho be mi bie na me kan kyere wo. Enyame no kra no munye mienu wa moye 5. Ana enye 55 wana. Okay, verse number 17. 55 verse number 17. Was say, Mami Femfri 15 anyede, and created the gems from a fusion of fire, So which of your Lord marvels will you deny? Lord of the two east and Lord of the two west. Lord of the two east and the Lord of the two west. Lord of the two east and the Lord of the two west. Eye Quran enkwa na be mu hunu wa ma wate ase se ye wo east mienu e wo west mienu. Eye only Quran na be kan kire. Quran enkwa na be kire se ye wo two east and two west. Two east and two west. Enti one east and one west no e wo one God. Another east and another west, and so one God. Or my say 2 no. Enna Allah no. Wakan one or my say 3 no. So what are you talking about? Now, Mami san on kai another verse because Surah 26. Verse number 1 to 28. Surah 26, verse number 1 to 28. Allah na swear in the name of Nyame foforo no. Okay. Me kan Surah 26 verse number 1 to 28. Verse number 1 wasita sin mim. And then verse number 1. Wait. Allah the message ibre nipa. Edia betu nipa fua. Wabetreta sim mim. Webusa kremoni sa asiani se ya. Wase asiani se ABCD. Enti Allah ebreyen efutusem. Obreyen sem wo nipa wase ye de nantem wo wiase. Enfiti asiani watre ABCD. Nyansa be no wo wi. So nkoye nim. Wase these are the verses of the clarified book. Perhaps you will destroy yourself with grave. Because they do not become believers. Okay. If we can send down upon a sign from heaven at which their neck will stay bent in humility. And verse number 4 was see if we will. Nature said the will no any baako for nsem baako ntumi decide. MBBC this omo nyina coming together. So if they will, they can send down upon a sign from heaven at which their neck will stay bent in humility. Verse number 5. No fresh reminder come from the most merciful, but they turn their back at it. They have denied the truth, but soon will come to them the news of what they ridiculed. Verse number 7. Have they not seen the earth and how many beautiful pairs we produce therein? This is my problem. We. Baby, I let me say issue the word I was swear in the name of another God. Eddie we bet to our tour. What did the Lord of the East and the West Eddie Abekahun? Okay. Yentuaswe, surely in a sign. Was it surely in this a sign? But some of them are not believers. Most surely your Lord is the Almighty, the merciful. Your Lord God called Moses to go to the tyrannical people. Okay, tyrannical people. The people of Pharaoh. Will they not fear? He said, my Lord, I fear they will reject me. Okay, yantuaso. And I become stressed, and my tongue is not fluent. So sent Aaron to 14, and they have a charge against me, so I fear they will kill me. 50, he said, no, go both of you with our proofs. We will be with you listening. Where Allah ne kasano. He said, okay, to us why? Go to Pharaoh and say, we are the messengers of the Lord of the worlds. We are the messenger. And say, oh kasano, or katre Moses said, go to Pharaoh. Oko katre and say, we are the messenger. We are the messengers of the Lord of the world. We no one na ekokan. Eye Moses nko but we use the word we. Ana wo kasa in the name of honor any Aaron. Allah ni ko use we ni dia. We say we na Allah use ye ni dia gina o ma baako. The same we ni so the same letter no a W sa W no na Allah kasa nso aye twere no. But you say W no aye Allah de ne de a different thing. Egina o mani pa baako. But the Elon ko use on the Moses ko use ne de egina o mani pa mienu. Okay, to us way. Was he go to Pharaoh and say, we are the messenger of the Lord of the worlds. So let the children of Israel go with us. Okay. Verse number 8, he said, did we not raise you among us as a child? Who was talking here? Pharaoh. Wabera. Allah and Moses in the Shiawaha. Okay. Would you tell? Allah and Moses in the Shiawaha. And now walk catch Moses, he said, Kofelo fie, ne koyi Israel for ni free. And now Moses he catch and say, me anka sana manonte, and na me say suro, because me ye bone ansa na me free kronum. Me so se me kwa omu bekume. Enti familia Aaron ka me ho na me ne nko. And na Allah se koi, me di Aaron aka ho nti ko. Na wone ne nko ye aduma na wo kwa catch Pharaoh say, eye nyankopon ye nyankopon wasomafo a wasoma ye wo won nkyai. Okay, ye ni mu de esi ye se Moses koye se Moses nkoye Pharaoh anu mu asema piem wo ha o. Se Moses koye se Moses yanko se bebia Moses gina no se nye wa na Pharaoh wa na se ho no wo sa story wo be kan atiase a this okokenkai Bible ansa anything another Abraham bi mushe I can one platform to say, what was say, book ni kremu say, sa was of 4J story no dear. Any enough foul proofs, Marco 10, and I say, foul verses Marco 10 bra. Kremoni be frail was say verses in say, Avram bimushe en kreti one sura. To say the same as we are the same topic ya my own platform, so my kremoni be by. The same as some chrono no be kind. Now ni bibi. Yes, when you listen, you learn a lot. Adana Abraham bimushe ne examples bi na oye no. E ma mete sa verse na siye. Ti say mehia ukutafuna. For example, Samsung. A me catch o say phone ye kuta we de eye mite. Phone no eye fake phone. And I say oh okay. ansa na meji wadi no sa phone no ye fake phone no me pese wo bra me Samsung phone na eye similar to media yi maako 10 na me mfa compare media na eye fake no na me hunu se eye fake ana enye se ko create another phone for be kire me there be. So the verse in it say what's the story na kuta no eye forge eye fake story any baby original ne wo no hwehwe Quran ni mu nepe ensemu a ewo Quran ni mu no maako 10 na kofa ensemu no free say book na ususu say eye original ni mu ne bra na ye hwesa ye ne kura ye hunu say Prophet Muhammad forge no. That is the explanation of the verse. Enye se bia me hunu say ukuta phone na me se phone ye fake no na wo ka chem say de sade a me nso me creative phone na eye fake ti say de ukuta na maako 10 it doesn't make sense eno na improve he but say me kofa original phone na eye Samsung no maako 10 de ba wo check ya obehu say wo die na ukuta no ye den eye fake. That's it. Okay? Now, anyway, sa wo be kenkai sorry we na be tia se a je sa wo kenkai Bible no wo ye say Nyankopon ni Moses di nkomo wie ye no Moses to anamo ko Pharaoh fie ansa na sa nkomo yi kokoso but Quran e kire yen say abera ala ni Moses kasa wie ye na Pharaoh di na no tum wo na Pharaoh ni gina ba bia Moses wo no. You see? Yen to us was he go to Pharaoh and say, we are the messengers of the Lord of the worlds. Let the children of Israel go with us. Go with us. He said, did we not raise you among us as a child? And you stayed among us for many of years. And you committed that deeds you committed. And you were ungrateful. He said, I did it then when I was those astray, and I freed from you. I freed from you. I fear you, but my Lord gave me wisdom and made me one of the messengers. Okay, is that the favor of taunt me? Or say, is that of the favor you taunt me with? Although you have enslaved the children of Israel. Pharaoh said, and what is the Lord of the worlds? The word of the worlds, you know. Obayan was say, I am the messenger of the Lord of the worlds. Now wasuma mi wawon chai say, me kansa monchel. And Pharaoh busan say, when did the Lord of the worlds, you know? He said, the Lord of the heavens and the earth, and everything between them, if you are aware. The Lord of the heavens and the earth, and everything within them, if you are aware. And he say Moses can say, "Sad the Lord of the world, and what ni nyamia, waya nyamia, waya the heavens and the earth, waya nyamia, waya osoro ni asasi su nyame." Yantu aso ni yanko ye ni mo story ni why. Verse number 25, he said to those around him, do you not hear? He said, your Lord and the Lord of your ancestors of old. Your Lord and the Lord of your ancestors of old. He said, this messenger of yours who is sent to you is a crazy. Me pacha. Says Surah 26. Surah 26, verse number 26, you know. Verse number 27, you know. Kremoni obetumi ya chira mi nipa kora no okasa wa ha no. Enne ya meye kremoni. Enne meye kremoni. Enkomona na ekoso no. Na ye Moses. Enkomona na ekoso no. Na ye between Moses and Pharaoh mienu na ekasa. But I say wobi be kasa asem bi wa ha. Wa say he said this messenger of yours or can say some messenger way who is sent to you. Yasuma na ba won che no is crazy wa bodam. So who said that? Who said that? Who said that? Because we didn't say Moses. Any asuma ne call Pharaoh nchai. Enti when na ka say Moses abodam. When na ka say. When na ka tell Pharaoh say, Pharaoh, messenger wa ya somo number amana ba won che ne de wabodam ho na kasa wa ha no. Is it Allah? If it was Allah who was talking there, then any what did he fair or did he Moses atam say Moses abodam? Hey, I want you to wake up I want you to wake up in the mind, okay? When you are reading the books, read it with the mind. Surah 20 says, verse number 27, he said, this messenger of yours who is sent to you is crazy. Who was talking here? If it was Allah, what did Moses attempt? Okay? If it was Pharaoh, when he asuma no, yasuma messenger no, ema ne call nche. Na Moses refer ni to. If it was Moses, when na eye messenger foforo no a, ye kan ho asem wo ho no. Okay? So somebody was talking here. Who was that person? This book doesn't make a little bit of sense. So one can kai book no. One share baby the stories in starting and now can kai this book unkuano. Ubeye a lot of ubeye confused because unya understanding from the story. Okay? Now yam to us 28 he said, Lord of the East and the West and everything between them. If you don't understand, okay, Edinkai was it the Lord of the heavens and the earth. Actually, was the Lord of the East and West. And to which is which? Say the same Lord of the heavens and the earth, and the same Lord of the East and the West. And you now can take Quran Surah 70, verse number 40. Now obi swear in the name of the Lord of the East and the West. Who was that person? Surah 70, verse number 40, I swear by the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. So who was swearing in the name of the Lord of the East and the West? But also what me point to me making us. So Quran nan kasan na esi hono. So we ya what say obesunya. That is why they are trying to tell us, if you want to learn the Quran, learn the Arabic and forget about the English. Because if you follow the English, you will expose Muslim big time. You will expose Allah, expose Muhammad, and expose Quran. Because this same God, this same Allah, or Kasa, I am the God of the East and the West. I am one and only. There is no God but me, Allah. But this same Allah is swearing in the name of the God of the East and the West. Have you checked it? Have you checked it? I'm asking you, have you checked it? No. So somebody like me, how can you tell me that the we in the Quran stand for one person? The we in the Quran, the us in the Quran, the our in the Quran, the we in the Quran. How can you tell me, say, it stands for one person and answer one God? You are just lying. Stop practicing Tagiyah because wow. All Muslim scholars, all Muslim sheikhs, all Muslims imams, they are all liars. I've been telling you this because they know this verse. They have met this verse before, that Allah was swearing in the name of another God, who is the God of the East and the West. I when the Okasa swear by the name. Enti the Okasa no kan tamu wa nyame foforo bidim. You see? Ma wani mra ho so. Because no kre eye ba kope. No kre nya mienu. Be bia ni wa wo be kwa wo be nya no kre mienu. Be bia wo be hia no kre se ye mienu bia atoro aye ho ma. Atoro aye ho ma. Enti Quran we na da ho no. Wo kremu a lot of claims bebre tro fucking challenges. But then the challenges now wo tro ni nyina no. Eye unnecessary challenges now wo tro. throw challenge to make us say, I am one and only God. There is no God but me. Okay? We understand. Why are you swelling in the name of the God of the East and the West? Why did you even that Surah 73, that was Surah 73 no Qur'ana yen shadi o hase. Okay, Surah 73 no. Hene fampo. Wase yen shas yen free. Verse number 8. Was it so? Remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him. Where you just a simple English. Okay? This is just a simple English. Same ena me kasa na me ka obi hu asem de ya kire wo a. Ena me use the word him no ediabem. Remember the name of your Lord and devote yourself to him. And remember the name of your Lord, and devote yourself to him. And he will take the word him no. Why didn't you know we say him no there? Why na worry fair me too? Okay? And no na bebe word because if I am talking to you, may refer me to you, I will use the word me, but not rather him. Esan said the no kasa wo ho no na wo twe wadwene de asi obi foforo so nti and na wo be use the word him no e de ahye ho e de amount. Okay, and endure patient. And okay, verse number 9. Was the Lord of the East and the West? There is no God but he. Devote yourself to him. That is the Lord of the East and the West. There is no God but he. So take him as a trustee. As a trustee. And endure patiently what they say and withdraw from them politely. Where you abera nani sa eka revelations in efoforo na Allah e mani sa mama ne dia koda da nipa no wonya nipa wiye no afedie endure with them patiently no ankoso biem kill them and abaye. Verse number 11 no enetiene was say and leave me to those who deny. And leave me no ya hwan me ameka sa no. But verse number 9 was say Lord of the East and the West, there is no God but he. Verse number 11 was say and leave me. Okay, compare these two. Verse number 9 the Lord of the East and the West, there is no God but he. So take him as a trustee. Verse number 11 and leave me. So they are not all kasano. Now I'll refer Muhammad to another one. Him. Now I'll refer it to another one. Baby, I now all refer no to yourself no you should me. Okay? This is just a simple English. Just simple English. And you will see they will come and tell you you don't understand the English. You need to understand Arabic. Read the original Arabic and let's see. Bra. But bra. One kasan no be kai Arabic na the same translation ya makan ya. And one na wo de beba. Entre mu kro ya the same English na ya to na no na wo be kan. Okay? The same the same so what is the difference between you and me? The difference between me and you no any say I want ya kire Arabic nyomo no e da utiri mu che Tupac ana wo cha Lewin wo cha Eminem, okay, wo cha Ghana Sarkodie, wo cha Ghana Shatta, Ghana Stone, wo cha no rap ne dia da utrim utumi rap the whole Quran but unti asia uwia the same English na ya translating na wo sia ya bombo no the same English na wo bekai. So Allah was referring himself to another God, accent or swearing in the name of another God. So who is Allah? Is Allah one and only? Do you agree with the word we in the Quran? They say a majestical we are referred to one person. That majestical we in the Quran, forget it. Because majestical means Just say obi a waye majesty, obi a waye okuta high position. Obi okuta high position di anu hunu ye say what the nipekuo bi ano. So okasa in the name of nipekuo no. Onkasa ma ononko ane ho. This is what I want you guys to understand. Obi nipekuo biano. Wakasa in the name of the group no. Enti Abraham Bimushe obetrasia wasi CSF yadamase pasa mabua dwumadie no yadamase okay yen no wa yusu ye no. Do you think say Abraham Bimushe you refer to ono ane self no yusu the word we na there be wo management team wo amanfo eboa no during his teachings P-Brack ne Yahuda okay omo na eboa no to read the Quran and to read the Bible. And our management team so wa so ni mo boa no madwumade ni kɔ nanimu. Wa mo tutu na na mo de si ye etu ni fo e ma ne fa ene de keka aka ho. Enti wo kasa wo no nko abet wo kasa ye damase. We thanks you a lot. We no jina ho ma say Abraham nko na kasa bet wo kasa in the name of many people. What the group Biano is the same as a king, is the same as a queen, is the same as God in the Quran. That is why Wabe died in Huadi was Surah 70, verse number 4. Tamia who ye say, one Quran say was she Namibia see a say Namini Dimu and na oswe. We in the Quran, a yina homa bako, a yina homa minu. Maybe a line atum. Ubetimi atwere call me mefawo okay ubetimi atwere me call me mefawo ana say me pini number no na me video ne nwa bebiri na ye ne yapon ubetumi afre why mma me pini number no mo ama join ni nyina meda mo nyina masem ahumo enti no wo ha say na wo ye guy a na wa ba no wa betirechire mu say na ya na ehia mu enye dia mo ba ya di video beto a na ma be comment na masere na mokọ eno na ya na yehia mo de enka ye no ba na wo do nsasibu yes me I am a proud Muslim. I know the Quran more than you Otimo. Let me give you my explanation ebe many penny na hu sa wo ye trofo but omo ba omo tetetere no omo hwe video no omo ye lem uwie na wo kwa no omo be comment you don't know anything, you don't understand anything, you don't blah blah blah, you can read and write. But send pakro ya afra wa wasi Otimo me pacho wiridi surah say verse number say faba me ni amini ma kenkai no na o kire me se me na me nsan kenkai fama no. Come out and tell me we in the Quran and not there the Quran ankasa itself no expose mo big time. Allah no ankasa ma yahunu the Quran na kire ye mu pefe amiatia say Allah is not one but 2, 3, 4 going. Entino untumi ndauto me say ukoshia tam sin ya ha ene de keka ka ho no a edina ma abcd oboa omoboa sata ya ra ma ti ta na enwo wo kro animu ni nyina no eye enyame ni din se omo bekasa se enyame ni bekasa enyame na bekasa no na o madika abo mu tretre mu din wo topic no title verse number 1 ubo se dikai verse number 1 ubo se dikai said ye surah 26 no crime se bi wo ma surah 26 le bi wo enyame ni bi din wo meba ma membubo bi din fa nkyere wo surah 26 no eyata sim and mim ta sin and mim ta sim and mim kremoni nima de we abeka tia say jina ma abcd enti nyansa be ne wo mu say Allah ebrayen a message na watire abcd de adikai nyansa be ne wo. So the A must have a purpose, the B must have a purpose, the C must have a purpose. What is the purpose behind that abcd na mo kremu say yatron wo first topic you know the first number of every chapter no wo Quran ni mo no. Almost every chapter in the Quran, there are these names Edika or verse number 1. What is the purpose for mentioning this ABCD? Here, think twice. Read the Quran. Don't follow your imams and your sheikhs. They know nothing, but they know nothing. If even they know something, they will not tell you the truth. A Muslim friend can send me a platform, and I will never forget. Was say asking a truth from Imam, asking a truth in the Quran from Imam. It's like asking your slave master to free you. Telling your imam to tell you the truth about the Quran. It's like asking your slave master to free you. Oh boy, he will not. He knows it, but he will not tell you. That is why they keep on lying to people. Kremoni be trying best. Try. This we in the Quran. But don't try. Ya kenkai Quran na exposimo. Na mi ya unu mu se munan kasankasano. Quran number 1 munnim. Se munnim nso a atoro na ye mode because one of the biggest faith in Islam. That is Tagiya. You lies a lot. Allah was swelling in the name of God of the East and the West. Allah was telling Muhammad to remember the name of the Lord of the East and the West. And na onyai omunjindie no. Onyai onone ma omo. Read Quran Surah, that is 26. Meba. 26 nimbo. Mame pe honem fama ona nyefe. Why? I'm saying 26 now. Watch it. No. When you're 26. Okay, matiro one challenge wa. Me say Quran Surah 26 ayat number 27. Assembly kosun komo bi so e kosu wa me pede no wo kasa wa kremoni. Kremoni a obetumi a kire me. Dia na wo kasa e wo Surah 26 ayat number 27 no. Me pe kremoni a obetumi a kire me dia na wo kasa wa. So wo kire me dia na wo kasa. Offer conversation we say ho a me ba be dane kremoni. Just come out and show me. Because conversation na course no. Na between Moses, Pharaoh, and what do you call it? And I am fine say what the Allah. And Aaron, yemfa say nipa foi. Yemfa wo mo. But o kan sembi e wa ha wasi he no me am check me hunu dia na refer to no. There are he to asu bebrebe wasi he said to those around him and no mini pakro. He said your Lord, the Lord of the he said your Lord and the Lord of your ancestors and no mini pakro. He said the messenger of yours who is sent to you is crazy. And no minim dia no wakasa wa ha. Over 27 he said, okay, 28 he said the Lord of the East and the West minim dia no wakasa ha. But 27 no he na be share ho no minim dia no wakasa ho. Enye Allah, ena enye Moses, ena enye Pharaoh, ena enye Aaron. When na kasa wa ha. Wan kasa kura wo ye kremoni ni wuntumi nkyere me de no kasa wa ha. You see how nonsense this book is. Book o kenkan ya wuntumi ntiase o kyere me say I should read this book and this book is going to tell me the truth. Me start this program will be ka kyere me say kremoni bi. E ka kyere me say Ayane de say masha ase kai Quran because wo gidie sesa me kai Quran no a me ba be ye kremoni. The Quran will lead me. Amama ba be ye kremoni. I have been reading Quran the past 5 years now. Quran into me making sense mami a ebe to me de ma be ye kremoni. The 5 past years. The past 5 years. And I'm starting say me ye researches about the Quran. Making kai the Quran, but me nduru baby a Quran no, ehye me nkuna ma me beye kremoni. Ebia ne se ma be hye Surah 26 verse number 27. Obi kasa wa ha me hunu de wo kasa. Enti se mete ase a this affair na me quarter say na makwa kohwe enyansafo na ba kire yi no wo mu nkire mu no ene kura nso wo benya wo bia na de obeka no unya the exact person na wo kasa wa ha no enti bia se wo benya exact person na o kasa wa ha no a this a wo kokenkai a Christopher Bible no a omo se eye corrupt no e na kokenkai a wo benya the answer and I say wo be the person who was talking in Surah 26 verse number 27. The Quran cannot tell you. The tafsir cannot tell you because you will get a lot of explanations. The Quran itself cannot give you the answer. The hadith cannot give you the answer. The where baby abet me the answer no bia o koken kai book no say corrupt na e ho na bia wo benya answer free. And these people funny, and these guys are ashamed of themselves calling the Bible a corrupt book. Meanwhile, they refer everything biana omo peno from the book. Ayano kore Muhammad be yusu we di man Allah because when say Bible no yusu we enti onu so be yusu we na make sense. But Muhammad di kasa no o tre no sense sebe na said ya mokano na ni nimu de wo fom nti na wasa akoka asa de akere se ni nyame na wodi na chi no nya baako oyamienu yamiensa ye nan yenum ye nsia ye nso ye ngotwe ye nkono ye du e de kopem apem ene opepepe enti this Allah no, this is what I want to tell you guys na me mfa masem ensi this Allah no wo hye obi ase na nyame na o hye na se no washe Aluza Manat ena Aluza Manat ena we would have feedback you do Aluza Manat and me would have feedback on it. Okay, and alert that alert, you know. And the god of the east, the goddess of the east, Alat. One were the sun goddess, Alat were the sun goddess, the goddess of the east. And until Allah swear in the name of the god of the east. Manat, the god of the west, that is the moon god. That is the moon god. The same Allah no ankasa no o cheke wodon so a why Mesopotamian moon god of sin. Manat Saudi Arabian's moon goddess. Enti Allah no de ne ho be bata Manat and Aluza and Alat. That your friend say Aluza and so the goddess of the stars. The star, the biggest star or Bibisa. So this your Allah is limited and he is not the creator. And the word we in the Quran, he refer himself with another group of gods. He always refer himself with another group of gods. This Allah can never do anything without the permission of the God of the East and West. He can never swear. He can never do anything without the God of the East and the West. Without the Aluza, Manat, and Alat. Without Alat, Aluza, and Manat, Allah is nothing. And in this three goddess, if you read Quran, you have verses a woman. Allah cannot do anything without Motia. And until you want the verses of the genies. I would say the baby, but they still believe them. They worship the genies. They worship Aluza and Manat and Alat. They still worship them. That is why they have teaches you guys say oh Bompire for when it's east. Okay? For when it's east. Now my sorry die so. Yaga symbol so the half moon and the star shem fimfini. The half moon and the star shem fimfini. The symbol of the gods, the Manat and Aluza, the half moon and the star. na eye mo symbol esi ma solidise no eye the goddess Anat, Manat and Aluza, and facing the sun no is in the name of Alat. So you guys gather in the mosque. Let me decode it for you. Where you free education, okay? Machira waha. Ena media kwa, okay? Surah 70 verse number 40. Ufisa meboa ma mensensi suma. Na fe min decode na mempo. Surah 70 verse number 40. Ma mentira say Allah. Enye wono nko a no gina ho ma hwan na ekasa hwan ya no mu asem no mu nyina mu gidi se eye Allah no mu asem enti I ne gina ho ma hwan eye Allah. I swear by the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. This is just a simple English. I swear by the name of the Lord of the East and the West that we are able. So enkremofo no, you guys gather in the mosque, you know. In the mosque na mukoshie mo no the half moon and the star near symbol esi mo asori dai so no esi mo mosque so no it means mo gather in the name of Manat and Aluza na mo demonia kire east na mo bompaye meaning say you guys have gathered in the name of Manat and Aluza praying to Manat, no, praying to Alat rather, praying to Alat. Okay, praying to Alat, that is the sun goddess. Praying to Alat. And it's a one call a sorry demo cranoa, one call mosque demo. Alat ne the empire bonnet dear, I was out the man 24/7. 24/7. I was out the man. Fridays, you know, I'm about to share more sorry demo dear. Muko share in the name of these two goddesses. Manat and Aluza. And unim Allah ni jumedia wo dini wo. This enkremosumunimu one die moja shigu asa. Muhie moja ni gumana na wanom. Muhie moja ni gumana na wanom. Ne die hia no ana. Ma wani mra ono so. I have decoded the we in the Quran for you. This is just a free education. Why? Ahayebaha ye bechire adie. Ye mekasa kwa ye bechere adie. We quote the Quran, we give you the verses, tell you to go and do your reference. Me read Surah 73 verse number 1 to 13, Surah 70 verse number 31 to 40, Surah 26 verse number 1 to 28. Kone ko kenka verses we o kenka ya nyabotre studying words by words. Tie ensemble how they sound. Try to understand them by words, Try to understand the whole chapter now, mediaman. Chapters no mediaman, verses no mediaman. Try and read them. Now, kayenswa, check them words by words. Netrasa ube understand it as sebono. Send me a Quran no can compensate muntre imam biwo because of them fake understanding. Yen ni musa omuko 2 verses no and some ni bi okra verse de kan omo nkan fa ma because why yet to say eni kwan se wo mahunu hunu amo akoye bibi say book ni kwan se wo kenkai ja wo mo kenkai no mo nchirechire mo mfa nchire ayese Christopher no ma wani mra wo so why na sorry because ebre bi na yewo mu no ebre na yewo mu no oh, Ayasemo Livestone. Ayasemo say I have been looking for someone to explain that verse for me. I just want to know who was swearing. It was Allah. On say, the Atiani say. Pharaoh said the messengers was mad, meaning he was referring to one. Dabio, Livestone, Antisao, me pacha udietio. Enya Pharaoh na na kasao. What the ma Pharaoh a enye yie. Udietio. What the ma Pharaoh a enye yie. Okay? Meba. What the ma Pharaoh a enye yie da. Surah 26-27. Was he said, these messengers of yours who is sent to you is crazy. Okay? Now, Allah suma Pharaoh, Allah suma Moses, any Aaron. Say obonko Moses, your friend say Pharaoh in chain. Okay. Until the messengers was sent to Pharaoh. So somebody was saying, say, Pharaoh, these messengers who were sent to you are crazy. So who was talking there? Untumin kase eye Pharaoh na kasa. Because the messengers was sent to Pharaoh. And assembly say, he said, these messengers of yours who is sent to you, these messengers of yours who is sent to you, these messengers of yours who is sent to you. So the person was talking to Pharaoh. So who was talking there? What you say? I was an offense, words by words. Now what you say here? Who was talking? Was it Pharaoh? Was it Moses? Was it Allah? So Moses was telling Pharaoh, say, "Wa no ankasa wa bodam." Ana Allah na na kachire Pharaoh say, Moses abodam. Ana Pharaoh no ankasa na na kachire ne ho say, messengers na ye soma no ne dem a wo yi ne ho no, wo yi ne ho tina nchai. Ena wo sa kachire ne second body dey say, messengers na ye send wo mo bre wo no, o mabodam. Who was talking there? Who was talking? Who was exactly talking there? Who was that person? It wasn't Allah and it wasn't Moses. It wasn't Pharaoh. Who was talking? This is the question. The Quran doesn't make sense. Truth is truth. Truth is one. Truth will always be truth. The answer is who was talking there. This is all cooking kind. Book now must say a corrupt. What do you see? I was here for the end there made the Mubesia. Na Edafo Frono. Ye besane eshia biem. Video no yeba no enwasa. Ye di besia na Edafo Fro ya sane eshia na ye di nkomo. Nyame ya adomo a ochine kwasi ye behia ye be di nkomo. Very interested message. Very interested message. Ochenya mpa eshia me page, or mute to me Facebook or mute to me page, Me am aware, but we will never give up. Okay? We will continue to spread the message. Bring the truth out. What's omo on mute to me? The video no platform no so. Omo behe. Okay? Enti no meda masi bebiri na me de mosia. Nyame ya domo ochina. Ya besane eshia ebiem. Makramo. Bye bye.